Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to remove the Big Cartel logo from your website. First, head over to Big Cartel website, then click on Login and sign into your account. Once you're in the dashboard, click on Accounts from the top menu. Then, scroll down and click on Go to Shop Designer. Inside the Shop Designer, you'll see the Big Cartel logo on your footer. So what you need to do is click on Code, then open the CSS file. Now I have here steps that you need to follow, but before we continue, make sure you have a paid Big Cartel plan as the code editing is only available on premium accounts. So first, we need to go to the footer and find the section with Big Cartel credit. Once you're in the CSS editor, press Ctrl F on your keyboard and search for Big Cartel credit. When you find it, delete the entire block of code that contains the Big Cartel credit as well as any other similar lines related to it. After you've removed those lines and save your changes, the Big Cartel logo will no longer appear in your site's footer. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.